beautiful people. Hello, amazing family. It's nice to be here again on this channel. My name is Adeshike Oluwaseun. I'm a Nigerian nurse based here in Nigeria. And basically, on this channel, we talk about everything. So, today, basically, I would like to show us how to prepare homemade Zobo as a side hustle, right? How to brand it and how to also sell it. If you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Join me today and let me show you how to do that. So here are my ingredients that I use to prepare my zobo. Here's my pineapple, then cloves. I got this one for I think 200 to 300 naira in my area. Then here is my ginger. This is I think 200, yeah. So next is my cinnamon, and yeah, the next is the watermelon that I bought. I got I think 2 to 3 slices. Each goes for 200 naira each. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for it, and here is my wooden mortar. I do not have a blender as it got spoiled a few months ago. And here comes my zobo leaves, also known as hibiscus flower. So I move ahead by peeling up the pineapple, and then here it is. So this is the pineapple back. It was well washed, and here is my pot. So I had little water, the pineapple bag, then here I tried to pound the fruit together, and yes, it makes a lot of sense. As a nurse, one of our stuff is to improvise, so I gotta improvise, yes. So and it makes a lot of sense actually. And here comes my pineapple. The juice is giving, yeah. So I had to, like, should I call it blend or pound it? Should I call it blend or pounding? So I just have to do this, and then I washed my zobo leaves. Yes, you have to wash this. So next is I poured everything into the pot, and I cooked it for about 20 minutes or more, and I allowed it to cool before adding my pineapple and watermelon juice. You can also add cucumber, depends on what you want. And yeah, so here comes my yummy homemade zobo. Thank you. I actually got this bottle from the market. I've forgotten the price now. So this thing is so simple and easy to make. So I had to arrange them inside the freezer. Yeah, so there. So fam, the next thing is to design my product label using Canva app. So Canva app is one of the tools that I love to use to design. Yeah, it can be used for a whole lot of stuff. It is user friendly, and you can get this on the Google Play Store. Just type in Canva app and it will bring out the app for you to download on your phone or on your laptop. So here I just went ahead to the search button and search for product label. Yeah, one thing about Canva app is that it has a lot of templates, so you can actually use the template on the app, or you can start your design from the beginning. Just for this video, I only created a simple product label, and yeah, I used the template that was on the Canva app already, which has orange juice. So I just did some editing and used I replaced it with zobo juice, and I changed the background color. I checked everything. I deleted the orange image and replaced it with my own Zobo image. For me to replace that, I just went to the elements. There's a section called elements in Canva. Once you go to it, a lot of stock images are there for you to use. One thing about Canva is that it has a free version and also a pro version. That's a paid version. So even with the free version, you can still, you know, use it to your satisfaction and bring out beautiful designs. Yes, so the design I made is just a simple design, nothing, no, it's not that sophisticated. If I want to do this for a customer, I would have make it more beautiful than this one that I make, but all the same it's still cool, right? So I changed the background color. This is orange, so I have to use a color that blends well with zobo drink. So for you to download the Canva app, it's easy. I can just input my my the link in the description box, so I can just click on the link and download your own Canva app. So farms, here I am. I changed the background, and I also want to delete all orange images so that I can use Zobo, can replace with Zobo leaves or something, anything Zobo, right? So I just moved ahead to get to the elements to search for hibiscus flower, or I think I use hibiscus flower, or okay, hibiscus leaves, right? So I use hibiscus leaves, I use Zobo juice, anything, just to have an idea of the image you want. And see, it brings out a lot of images for me, and I just clicked on one, I selected it, I resized the image so as to fit in the angles of those product label. So after editing, going back and forth, I just have to download. You can after download, you have to after editing, I downloaded the image on my phone. So if you have a printer at home, you can just go ahead to print out. And if you don't have, you can reach out, you can just go to a printer to print your product design for you. Yeah, so farms, so I did some editing, and yeah, it's not so beautiful farms, but I just have to do that just for the sake of this video. So next farm is to do what is to show you tips on how to monetize or sell your homemade Zobo drink. Yep.